In a remarkable series of observations spanning recent years, marine biologists have recorded 34 documented instances of wild orcas deliberately offering food to humans. These fascinating encounters have involved orcas presenting a diverse array of prey including fish, birds, and stingrays to boats and swimmers. The behavior suggests a level of intentionality and social awareness that challenges our understanding of orca intelligence and their capacity for interspecies communication. Researchers believe these gifts may represent a form of teaching, cultural exchange, or even attempts at reciprocal relationship building with humans. The incidents have occurred across different populations and geographical locations, indicating this is not an isolated phenomenon but rather a widespread behavioral pattern among wild orcas. Each documented case provides valuable insights into cetacean cognition and raises important questions about how these highly intelligent marine mammals perceive and interact with our species in their natural environment.